Every day is a new opportunity, and for many people, that starts with good breakfast. For me, a typical morning routine involves heading to the local market in Baghdad to choose the kind of cheese I want to buy, buying some Iraqi bread, brewing tea, and eating breakfast before heading to work for my 9 a.m. shift. My day typically starts at 4:30 a.m. when I wake up and start getting ready for the day. I wash up, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I make sure to take my time and enjoy the quiet of the morning before heading out for the day. At around 7 a.m., I leave the house and walk to the local market in Baghdad to choose the kind of cheese I want to buy. I love to exploring the different types of cheese available and asking the vendors for recommendations. I take my time and make sure to choose the perfect cheese for my breakfast. After I have selected my cheese, I head to a nearby bakery at around 7:30 a.m. to buy some Iraqi samoon or bread. At around 8 a.m., I arrive with my cheese and bread. I start brewing some tea at office and the aroma fills the room. I love the ritual of brewing tea, and it helps me relax and prepare for the day ahead. While the tea is brewing, I start preparing my breakfast. It's a simple breakfast, but it's one of my favorites. At around 8 a.m., I sit down to enjoy my breakfast and my tea. I savor each bite and sip, enjoying the flavors and the quiet of the morning. I take my time and enjoy the moment, knowing that it's a small but important part of my daily routine. After I finish my breakfast, I clean up the dishes and get ready for work. My daily routine is a simple but essential part of my life. It starts with a trip to the local market to choose the perfect cheese, followed by a stop at a nearby bakery to buy fresh Iraqi samoon. I then brew some tea and sit down to enjoy my breakfast before starting my workday. This routine helps me start each day on the right foot, and it's essential part of my daily life. And it's essential for you to learn the common words in English that I intentionally added to this daily routine. Thank you very much. بدرب اللغة وليد خالد.